son of a bitch, nor will he unload the son of a bitch.
You think you're a big trucker or what?
But he wants to tell me how to do shit. I don't see you doing this, super trucker. On the bottom, or what's that? Set the overload set. Why don't I film and you drive the son of a bitch home?
Big.
What? That's a tight fit.
We're loaded down, getting ready to head back now. I better not be waiting on any trucks, bub. You better.